Welcome back. Today we are getting everything squared up so we can dig the footer and get it poured so we can get some block in here and start making some progress on the house. You can also see our shed that we have right there. I'm gonna include another video that talks about how we insulated that to store our furniture and things in as well. So look for that. You can see them adjusting the laser here so they can know exactly how deep they're digging when they start digging the footer. Let the digging begin. I didn't want to stand around and just video the guys working all day and be in their way. So I left, and then when they finished up, the family and I come outside just kind of checking out the progress they made for the day, and everybody's super excited that we've finally broke ground on the house we've been wanting to do for years. So what do y'all think about the house?
I'm excited.
Are you excited to build the house?
Yes!
And you excited to have a new room?
Yes.
And your room's gonna have a bathroom in it?
Yes.
Then we'll be able to move out of this right here.
Yes.
Okay guys, here we go. We have the footer dug. We have the rebar installed. And we're waiting for the concrete trucks. We've already passed the inspection. So right now I'd actually be standing in the dining room of the house. So you can see here, we have the piers. Right there we have the front porch. And as we go over here, you have the garage. Master bedroom, bathroom, then back to the kitchen and living room.